Hotel will be coming to iDrive.
A strip mall on the southeast corner of Kirkman and iDrive would be demolished to make room for this new building. We're now getting a look at some of the renderings. Look at this. Of the $400 million I Square Mall and Hotel. It's beautiful, isn't it? Developer Abdul Mathin of the Black Mind Group showed us the design concept of the hotel. He says it has been completely revamped, paying attention to every single detail that customers will come to expect.
It's very exclusive, very unique. You know, people in China, Hong Kong, and Dubai, they like to explore those kind of things. And it's not done in the U.S., but we're trying to engineer that.
A queen room in the 5-star section will cost about $500 a night. One of the ultra luxury rooms, dubbed as a 7-star room, would be in the $800 range. Other suites will cost thousands to compete with a butler room and a security room as well. The renderings also show the helipad, pool deck, and even a rotating restaurant at the top. Developers say the project is behind schedule, but they are hoping to break ground on that next year.
A 7-star and a butler, I'd say that's pretty fancy. Well, you decide.